Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sort of save episodes on Spotify. These are basically like podcasts on Spotify. To do that, as you can see, there is an episodes for you section over here. So for instance, I'm going to select this one. To sort of save it, there's this sort of plus button over here, and it says add it to your episodes, and you can even download it, and you can even press the three dots and press mark as played and even add to playlist. If I go to library and I go to your episodes, I can see the episodes that I have saved in Spotify. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!